Welcome back to the channel, and in this session we are on Indian stock market analysis session, and we are going to analyze one of the well reputed company, LIC and Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is listed on National Stock Exchange of India. And we will see one day its stock price increased by 0.41 percentage up to a 5 days it stock price increased by 8.67 percentage up to 1 month it stock price increased by 0.58 percentage up to 6 month it stock price increased by 58.53 percentage year to date 17.19 percentage 1 year 75.95 percentage 5 year 11.74 all time high 11.74 upcoming earning May 29 quarter report period fourth quarter report 2023 EPS 19.35 INR revenue estimate 1.80 trillion INR key statistics 6.14 trillion INR dividend L no price to earning ratio 15.20 basic EPS TTM 63.75 net income 414.96 billion INR revenue 7.92 trillion INR shares followed to 121.37 million INR beta 1.28 about Life Insurance Corporation of India. It belongs to finance sector industry. Life Health Insurance headquarters is in Mumbai, India. Employee 98.48K. Founded in 1956. Life Insurance Corporation India engaged in the provision of insurance plans. It operates through the following segment: life business, pension business, annuity business, variable business, health business, and linked business. The company was founded in September 1, 1956, and its headquarters is in Mumbai, India. And we will see its financial record. Financial statement. We will see ownership structure closely held share 6.10 billion 96.5 percentage. Free float share 221.37 million. Capital structure market cap 6.14 trillion. Enterprise value 6.14 trillion. Price to earning ratio 15.22x. Price to sales ratio 0.76x. And you will see the growth and profitability revenue 7.92 trillion INR, net income 414.96 billion INR, net margin 5.24 percentage, revenue 7.92 trillion INR, total operating expenses minus 7.67 trillion INR, operating income 246.52 billion INR, non-operating income 126.58 billion INR, pre-tax income 373.10 billion INR, tax and others 41.86 billion INR, net income 414.96 billion INR, and we are going to break down its revenue. Most of its revenue comes from uh, life participating 4.78 trillion INR 60.46, pension non-participating 22.56 percentage 1.79 trillion, and this one non-life non-participating 1 trillion INR 12.69 percentage, and this one annuity non-participating 239.90 billion INR 3.03 percentage, and this one is linked non-participating 57.75 billion INR 0.73 percentage, and participating include pension, annuity, health, variable participating other, and here are revenue curve is in uptrend, 4.30 trillion, and estimate this is just estimate revenue, actual revenue 7.88, estimate 0.83, sub price minus 147.29 billion INR, earning ratio 2021 actual 6.751 INR, estimated 1.79 INR, surprise minus 1.28 INR. 2022 actual 57.50 INR, estimate 51.31 INR, surprise by 6.19 INR. Dividend yield, dividend 0.72 percentage, last payment for last expiry date February 21, 2024. Return earning, this one is return earning and payout ratio is 10.98 percentage. Dividend per share 3, dividend yield 0.56, and financial health, insurance reserve 0, and premium earned 4.76 trillion, premium earned 4.30 trillion, and premium earned 4.05 trillion, policy claims 109.28 billion. 2019 policy claims 112.080 billion. Premium earned 3.82 trillion, and policy claims 53.45 billion INR. Premium earned 3.40 trillion INR. Capital allocation analysis, no, none of is shown here, and we will see its statement. All of its statement: total revenue 2.14 trillion INR, operating income 83.31 billion INR, pre-tax income 81.54 billion INR, net income 94.69 billion INR, and total revenue 2.03 trillion INR, operating income 77.919 billion INR, pre-tax income 76.75 billion INR, net income 80.30 billion INR. First quarter report 2023. Will all of will see its annual revenue, total revenue, and 2021 7.01 trillion INR. Operating income minus 21.69 billion INR, pre-tax income 57.21 billion INR, net income 99.18 billion INR. 2020 total revenue 6.98 trillion INR, operating income 185.22 billion INR, pre-tax income 29.80 billion INR, net income 29.74 billion INR. 2019 total revenue 6.44 trillion INR, operating income 56.20 billion INR, pre-tax income 27.19 billion INR, net income 27.10 billion INR. 2018 total revenue 5.70 trillion INR, operating income 21.12 billion INR, pre-tax income 26.42 billion INR, net income 26.27 billion INR. Income statement, all of its income statement is shown here. Total revenue we have already discussed. Operating income also we have discussed. Pre-tax income also we have discussed. Equity earning 42.03, 41.82 billion, 48.77. Taxes minus 149.87, minus 30.80.38, minus 80.38. Now it's minus 62.08 million. 08 million 00 minus 2.58 billion, and uh, this non-controlling minority interest minus 61.88 million, 40.50 million, 221.94 million on minus. Income before, net income before discounted operation 26.27 billion, 27 point 27.10 million. Dilution adjustment 0000. Diluted net income available to common stakeholder 26.27 billion, 27.10 billion, 29.74 billion, 99.18, no, 414.96 billion, 403.25. and diluted share outstanding 2.32 billion, 6.32 billion, 6.32 billion total share. And statistics, we will see all of his statistics report from price to earning ratio 8.15, price to cash flow ratio 6.20, total common share outstanding 6.32 billion, float share outstanding 221.37 million, number of shareholder 3.92 million, number of employee 98.48k, and it has in 2021 number of employee were 104.04k, and dividend in 2000, dividend per share 3, dividend L 0.56 in 2021, dividend per share 1.50 INR, and earning annual earning in 2022 with the EPS. This may be EPS estimate 9.35, reported 57.50, estimate 51.31, reported 6.51, estimated 11.79, reported 6.51, 57.30, estimate 11.79, 51.31, 54.27, 59.94, 68.42, and reported 1.8 trillion INR, estimate 0.03 trillion. 2021 revenue was around 4.30 trillion INR, and this one is revenue by their source of 2022 by revenue by their source life pension life annuity linked pension annuity health variable others, and 2021 revenue main revenue comes from life participating pension, and from its from pension most of them are non-participating pension life annuity linked pension and pension participating annuity participating health non-participating variable participating life participating pension non-participating life non-participating annuity non-participating linked non-participating pension participating annuity participating health non-participating variable non-participating, and it in 2029 life participating pension non-participating life non-participating annuity non-participating pension participating annuity participating health non-participating, and life participating pension non-participating life non-participating annuity non-participating linked non-participating pension participating annuity participating health non-participating. By country, revenue comes from India with 4.74 trillion, international 23.69 billion. In 2021, revenue from India comes from 4.28 trillion, international 25.09 billion. In 2020, revenue comes from 4.03 trillion INR, international 4.4 billion INR. And we'll see is technical signal of 1 month. 1 1 technical signal RSA 14 days 60.52, stochastic 14.33 commodity channel index 21 on 22.75, average directional index comma awesome oscillator comma movement down 334.45, sell MACD level 1226 no, stochastic RSA fast 3 13 14 14 no. Williams percent range minus 31.47, neutral bull bear power neutral ultimate oscillator 7 14 28 minus, exponential moving average of 10 day 859.71, simple moving average of 10 day 825.07, exponential moving average of 20 days 774.62 by, simple moving average of 20 days 717.94 by, volume weighted moving average 808.89 by, all moving average 1037.83 sell, pivot point support third 107.78, support second 421.63, support first 627.07, pivot point 735.48, resistance for 940.92, resistance second 1049.33, resistance third 1363.18, Fibonacci 421.63, resistance support third, support second 541.52, support first 615.59, pivot point 735.48, resistance for 855.37, resistance second, 929.44. Resistance short 1049.33. Carmelia at 746.19. Support third, support second 774.96. Support first 803.73. Pivot point 735.48. Resistance first 861.27. Resistance second 890.04. Resistance third 918.81. UD support third 660.72. Support second 145.39, support first 674.57, pivot point 759.24, resistance first 988.43, resistance second 1073.09, resistance third 1302.28, support first 681.27, pivot point 762.59, resistance first 995.13, and we will see some of its forecast. Forecast up to 1 month, its stock price will be increased by 37.52% up to peak height 1340. Average will be around 18.15%. 11.51.25. Current will be 974.40. Minimum decrease will be minus 23.03. With current LTV will be 750. And we'll see it on super chart also. And we'll all try to draw support resistance, volume accumulation distribution. Here you can see three green candle, green volume candle were formed, and here you can see one, two, three, four, five, six green candle were formed. So this candle indicate the accumulation phase, and here red candle, this red candle, and this red candle, and this red candle were formed. Consider as distribution, selling, so that stock couldn't rise. And when this company issued it IPO, a lot of selling pressure were given from this, so that operator can move down its price and trying to buy at its lower price or a fair value. So they are making it down, and this is the accumulation distribution curve. And we will also add RSI, and this is the RSI curve. RSI is around 60.52, and the below RSI below 30 or 40 is considered as the buying zone. And we will draw some of its support resistance also. And the curve may not be perfectly horizontal, but I will try. And this will be the base support. Okay, thanks for your time, and soon we'll meet our next video. Okay, having a good day.